Hey everybody, it's Mrs. T, and I am here to give you a video announcement and kind of a tour of what we're going to do here at the end of Module 1, because that's where we are. We're at the end of Module 1, we're in week 4, and you have a unit assignment, end of unit assignment, that is posted in our geography class. So let me get myself out of the way, and we will go to our geography class and look at it together, and I'll show you what to look for and give you some pointers on what to do so you can ace your first big 100-point assignment that you're going to take in class this semester with me. Okay, let's do that now. We are at our cultural geography class, and so this should all look very familiar to you. So here's Unit 1. Click on that module and it'll open up, and you should see all the folders that you've already completed as of now, but you should also see a new folder, Folder 4. And that has all the normal stuff in it, the reading assignment and some videos to take notes on, okay? And then you have your reflection journal submission place. I've had a few text messages about how do I submit my reflection journal? This is how. You go to each weekly folder and you click on the reflection journal submission place for each week, and you use the text box. It says type an entry. And so that's what you do, so you can submit your reflection journal each week before Sunday night at midnight. It's due before the quiz is due, which is Sunday night at midnight. Quiz 5 is in there also. And so that's, what you should have come to expect so far in class. That's the same pattern we've always followed, but you'll see a new thing that doesn't follow a pattern yet. It will be the pattern moving forward for each of the unit modules that we complete. But we're at the end of our first unit, and that means that we have one of our 100-point assignments. There are 4 100-point assignments in this class, and this is the first of the 4. And so what you're going to do is click on Unit Assignment 1 and then click on the instructions and what this assignment is for and how you're going to complete it. You will not use AI on this assignment. You will use your notes from from folders 1 through 4. You'll use your lesson notes and you'll use your textbook reading assignment along with a video, this Story of Cholera video. In Chapter 1, and I think in Chapter 2 also, you read about cholera, disease vectors, and cholera. It's something that we study in geography class. And so this little short video that's linked right here is what you're going to analyze. And so you will cite 3 things and 3 things only in this assignment. You will cite your notes, that's required. You'll cite your textbook, that's required. You'll cite this video, that's required. And so some of the questions are multiple choice, but the questions that are essay, obviously, that's where you'll cite it. I've got a grading rubric here, which I've already mentioned a lot of the things that you have to do. You have to cite information from your notes and from the Story of Cholera. It has to be your own words, etc. Please read all of these categories on the grading rubric, or wait. Let me rephrase that. Just read the one for an A, because that's what I want all of y'all to get. Read the one for an A and make sure that you can check off each of these 6 things so that you will definitely get an A on each of the writing questions that you're required to complete in this unit assignment, because that's what I want you to do. I want to be assigning a whole bunch of really high scores on this unit assignment. Please do that for me. So so let me close this. So anyway, those are the instructions, and then here is the unit assignment itself. Click on it and look at it. Some of the questions you've already got the information for because you've completed the lessons in folders 1 through 3 already. So some of the questions you've already got answers for, but it is due next week. Please make sure that you modify your schedule or adjust things so that you give yourself plenty of time to complete this. It is designed to complete it in a class that's about an hour long, so it should take you about an hour if you have all of your notes in proper order. If you're familiar with the information that's in the textbook, you should be able to complete it in about an hour if you can sit down and give that time to yourself. A couple hours, 2 hours, however, 3 hours, however many hours you need to based on your own personal needs and standards. Please make sure that you do that. It is due next Wednesday. If there is any kind of question in your mind about what to do after you've read the instructions and looked at the rubric and watched the video and looked at the questions on the unit assignment, what should you do? That's right, you should text me, because I'm here to answer your questions anytime you need me, and I really like hearing from you. So please make sure that you are not a stranger. Okay, I'll talk to you later.